Hey everyone, I am currently standing outside of my tiny house home for the next few weeks while my arm heals up after I broke it riding the Baja Divide. So I figured I would give you a little tour of the place that I found to stay at and show you where I'll be staying. And so here we have the outside of my little tiny house on a ranch in Mexico. I don't know if it's would really be called a ranch in anywhere else. It's kind of a small ranch, but pretty nice. I got my comfy chair out there, and over here we have the bathroom, and the owner lives in this trailer here. And they also rent out this cool blue school bus that has been made into a tiny house. Over behind the blue school bus, there's a little wall there where there's an outdoor shower with hot water. Got this little shed here to put my bike in, and well, it has a whole bunch of doves in it, which I am hoping aren't gonna shit all over my bike. We'll see. I got some awesome friends here to keep me company. They're really nice, friendly dogs. And as you can hear, got some sheep over here. Maybe this'll be my Settlers of Catan sheep video. We'll see. Got some other stuff around. Not sure what everything is for, really. So, and then all around us is massive strawberry fields and other vegetable fields, I think, with greenhouses and stuff. And if we look out here, I have a great view of the ocean, and I can walk down to it if I want to. Downside a little bit is that I'm about 4 kilometers from the store, which makes for a fairly long walk, but it's not too bad. So anyway, let's have a look at the inside. By the way, while we're still outside, I got some really cool cactus gardens and the most metal flower bed ever. Hard to believe it's a little older lady that made this awesome metal flower bed. It's cactuses and lined with animal bones and skulls, so this is pretty fucking cool. Here we are inside. I got an awesome, nice double bed, some sexy mermaid artwork on the wall, a little bar there with some hangers so I can hang up my clothes if I decide to wash them in the sink, which I probably will at some point. Got a little table here, got a counter with a sink. This blue bucket has water in it that I can use for washing things, and then I got drinking water up here, which is pretty awesome. And then there's no electricity out here, but there is solar, so I have a solar charging station here for my phone and tablet and things like that. And then over here I've got a little gas-powered hot plate and some pots and pans and some dishes. There's even solar-powered lights that I can turn on here. Nice thing, so I have a dresser, and inside of the dresser are some towels and extra blankets. Really nice thing is there's a lot of blankets on this bed, and that is great because it does get pretty cold here at night, even though it's hot during the day. because we are in a desert, and I've got bags here and stuff all over the place. I'm still sort of settling in, but I'll figure out how to get more organized fairly soon. If you've enjoyed this video, or even if you didn't, you should definitely subscribe and like the video, and thanks for watching the whole thing. Since I'm recovering from having my arm broken, I'm going to be, hopefully, should be coming out with a lot of videos in the next little while of gear reviews and my ride through California, and maybe even part of my ride through Baja. So see you soon, and thanks for watching. You can also subscribe as a channel member, which doesn't give you any other perks because I didn't want to put anything behind a paywall. But the money will help me with continuing my trip, which turns out is fairly expensive, and turns out for some reason people want to be able to contribute to what I'm doing in order to feel like they're a part of it. So if you're one of those people, that's great. And if you're not one of those people, that's great too.